Hello and welcome friends. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. Let's see a desktop PC. This is a home based simple desktop computer, and I have opened the cabinet from one side to show you what is inside this computer. So as you can see, this is the power supply, main power supply called SMPS, and it will supply the power to the motherboard and other part of the computer. And this base which you see lying on the panel is the main motherboard, and here is the CPU fan, and below this is the CPU of this computer. And these two strips that you see, these are the RAM of this computer, so these are also called random access memory. Here is a small battery, and this is hard disk. On this side you see, this is hard disk, and this is connected with SATA cables. So SATA connector cables are there, and this is the power coming from the SMPS connected to the motherboard. Here you have the DVD, and this is the DVD drive, and these are the front panel and switches. So this is what a computer have inside it, and hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.